Sri Sanjay Dayal sir and all my media friends. I also join with Mr. Abdul to wish you a very warm greetings for the festival season. And now you all are aware that LIC is entering in 64th year. Since last 63 years, I think other than policyholder, media is one माध्यम जिन्होंने LIC को काफी अच्छा सपोर्ट किया throughout since from last 63 years, and I think whatever we are today, there is a big role played by media, because whenever LIC achieves something, whenever LIC do something extraordinary, the kind of hype, kind of publicity given by media, and I hope it will continue another years to come, because 64 years will definitely in very short will complete 100 years also. And whatever LIC is today, definitely Senior DM sir will discuss with you. Once again, I welcome all of you for this press conference, because from 1st September to 7th September we are celebrating Insurance Week. We are doing lot of activities, not only Insurance Week but throughout the year also.
LIC has now entered into its 64th year of its existence on 1st September 2019. That means 63 years we have already completed. The picture which we are showing here is of our chairman, Mr. M.R. Kumar, and two MDs, Mr. T.C. Sushil Kumar and Mr. Vipin Anand. So friends, in this journey, LIC has crossed many milestones and has set unprecedented performance records in various aspects of life insurance business. Just to give you a brief idea, we have in total 2048 branches, which is now spread across all over India. And as you can see, other figures are also given over there. In total, we have approximately 12 lakh agents. These agents are spread in rural areas also. They are not only spreading the awareness of insurance, but also helping the policyholder giving post services also wherever the insurance policy is taken by the policyholders.